First time meeting. Excuse me, may I sit here?
Of course, please sit down.
Thank you.
Are you new here? I haven't seen you before.
Yes, I am. Today is my first day at this library.
Oh, welcome. My name's Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
This library is very big. I'm a little confused.
Don't worry, I come here every week.
Really? That's nice.
Are you looking for something?
Yes, I'm looking for English storybooks.
That's great. Are you learning English?
Yes, I want to improve my speaking.
That's a good idea. Practice every day.
I try, but sometimes I feel shy.
It's okay. Everyone feels shy at first.
That makes me feel better. Thank you.
Where are you from, Emma?
I'm from a small town near here. What about you?
I live near this library. I'm a college student.
Oh, nice. What do you study?
I study computer science.
Wow, that's interesting.
What do you do?
I'm a school student. I love reading and drawing.
That's great. Maybe we can practice English together.
Really? That would be helpful.
Yes, we can meet here on weekends.
Sounds good.
Here are the English books. They're on this shelf.
Thank you so much, Daniel.
You're welcome, Emma.
I'm happy we met today.
Me too. See you next weekend?
Yes, see you. Bye. Asking for help. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I need some help, please.
Sure. What do you need?
I want to open a bank account.
Of course. Do you have any ID with you?
Yes, I have my ID card and passport.
That's perfect. Please show them to me.
Here you are.
Thank you. Is this your first account?
Yes, it is my first bank account.
No problem. I will explain everything.
Thank you. I don't know much about banks.
That's okay. We are here to help you.
I appreciate that.
Do you want a savings account or a current account?
I'm not sure. What is the difference?
A savings account is good for saving money.
Okay, I think I need a savings account.
Good choice. You need to fill out this form.
Can you help me fill it, please?
Yes, of course. Write your full name here.
Like this?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you for your patience.
You're welcome. Please sign here.
Done.
Great. Your account will be ready in 2 days.
That's wonderful.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes, how can I get a debit card?
We will send it to your home address. Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. It's my pleasure. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye.
Asking directions.
Excuse me. Yes, how can I help you? I'm looking for a clothing store. Sure, what is the name of the store? It's called Fashion Point. Oh, yes, I know that store. Can you tell me where it is? Yes, of course. It is on the 2nd floor. 2nd floor? Yes, take the escalator over there. The escalator near the food court? Yes, that's right. After that, what should I do? Turn left when you reach the 2nd floor. Turn left, okay. Then walk straight for about 2 minutes. Is it near any big shop? Yes, it is next to a shoe store. Oh, that's easy. You will see a big red sign. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Is it far from here? No, not at all. It's very close. That's good. Do you need help with anything else? No, that's all. Thank you for your help. My pleasure. Enjoy your shopping. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too.
Helping an old lady. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you okay? Oh, hello, dear. I'm fine, but I need some help.
How can I help you?
I want to cross the road, but the traffic is heavy.
Don't worry, I can help you cross.
That is very kind of you.
Please hold my arm.
Thank you, dear.
Let's wait for the signal to turn green.
Yes, that's a good idea.
The light is green now. We can walk.
Okay, please walk slowly.
Of course. Take your time.
Thank you for being patient.
Watch your step. The road is a little uneven.
Oh, yes, I see it.
We are almost there.
That's good. I feel safer with you.
We have reached the other side.
Thank you so much, young man.
You're welcome. Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I'm going to the hospital.
It's just 2 blocks away.
Really? That's helpful.
Do you need more help?
No, I will be fine now.
Okay, please take care.
Thank you again. You were very kind.
Have a nice day.
You too, dear. Goodbye.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Here's the menu.
Thanks.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I would like a glass of water.
Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. I need a few minutes.
Of course, take your time. After a few minutes. Are you ready now?
Yes, I am.
What would you like?
I would like chicken rice, please.
Anything else?
Yes, 1 vegetable soup.
Would you like something for dessert?
What do you recommend?
Our chocolate cake is very popular.
That sounds good. I will take 1 slice.
Great choice.
Job interview for beginners.
Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, sir. Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Can you tell me your name?
My name is Rohan Kumar.
Nice to meet you, Rohan.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Why do you want this job?
I want this job because I want to learn and gain experience.
That's good. Do you have any work experience?
I worked part-time in the small shop for 6 months.
What did you do there?
I helped customers and managed the bills.
Good. Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can use MS Word and Excel.
Are you comfortable speaking English?
I am still learning, but I practice every day.
That's nice. Are you a hardworking person?
Yes, sir. I am honest and punctual.
Can you work in a team?
Yes, I enjoy working with others.
What are your strengths?
I am friendly and responsible.
What is your weakness?
Sometimes I feel nervous, but I try to improve.
That's honest. When can you start?
I can start from Monday.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. What are the working hours?
From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Friday.
That sounds good.
Thank you for coming. We will call you soon.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Talking about daily routine.
Hi, Ria. How are you?
Hi, Aman. I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
That's early. What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do yoga for 20 minutes.
That's healthy. What do you do next?
I take a shower and get ready for work.
What time do you go to work?
I leave home at 8 a.m.
How do you go?
I go by bus.
What do you do at work?
I work on a computer and answer emails.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
What do you usually eat?
I eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes fruit.
What time do you come home?
I come home at 6 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and watch TV.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English for 30 minutes every day.
That's great. What time do you sleep?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
You have a good routine.
Thank you. What about your routine?
Introducing yourself in English.
Good morning, everyone. Today, please introduce yourself. Good morning. My name is Ken Tanaka. Nice to meet you, Ken. Nice to meet you, too. Where are you from? I am from Osaka, Japan. How old are you? I am 22 years old. What do you do? I am a university student. What do you study? I study business. Very good. Thank you, Ken. Thank you. Now please talk to your partner.
Hi, my name is Ken. What is your name?
Hi, Ken. My name is Yuki Sato.
Nice to meet you, Yuki.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Tokyo.
What do you do?
I work in a hospital. I am a nurse.
That's great. Why do you study English?
I want to speak with foreign patients.
That's a good reason. I want to travel abroad.
That's exciting.
Yes, let's study hard together.
Yes, let's do our best.
Shopping conversation in English.
Good afternoon. How can I help you? Good afternoon. I am looking for a jacket. Sure. What size do you need? I need a medium size. What color do you like? I like black or blue. Here are some jackets. Thank you. Can I try this one? Yes, of course. The fitting room is over there. Thank you. After trying the jacket, how is it? It fits well, but it is a little expensive. It costs $40. Do you have any discount? Yes, we have 10% off today. That's good. I will take it. How would you like to pay? I will pay by card. Please enter your PIN. Done. Here is your receipt. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too.
At the doctor, English conversation.
Good morning. How can I help you? Good morning, doctor. I don't feel well. What's the problem? I have a headache and a fever. Since when? Since yesterday evening. Do you have a cough? Yes, a little. Do you have a sore throat? Yes, my throat hurts. Let me check your temperature. Okay. Your temperature is 38 degrees. You have a mild fever. Is it serious? No, don't worry. It's just a common cold. That's good to hear. Are you taking any medicine? No, I'm not. I will give you some medicine. Thank you, doctor. Take this tablet twice a day. After food? Yes, after food, and drink plenty of water. Okay. You should also take some rest. How many days should I rest? At least 2 days. All right. If you don't feel better, come back again. I will. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Get well soon. Thank you, doctor. Goodbye.
At the airport, English conversation.
Good morning. May I see your ticket and passport?
Good morning. Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Where are you traveling today?
I am traveling to Tokyo.
Is this your first time flying?
Yes, I am a little nervous.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay,
Your luggage is within the limit.
that's good.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Your seat number is 18A. Where is the boarding gate?
Gate 5. Go straight and turn right.
What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
At the hotel, check in.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
Good evening. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is David Lee.
One moment, please. Yes, Mr. Lee. I see your booking.
Great.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. You booked a single room for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Would you like a room with a city view?
Yes, please.
Your room number is 305.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included. It is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
That's perfect.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
The elevator is on your left.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too, sir.